Okay, it's Wednesday, 19th of February. We've been saying XRP is a buy, just waiting. What we're trying to do is get another one of these moves. So January this year, peaked, had one of these. Now we're looking at trying to get in early. So we've got this line across here, which is essentially where it broke. Came here before, broke it, hit the support here, up the trend line. So now if we're just going to bring it back to an hourly chart. Okay, so that's that big line that we're hoping for it to break through. But since the 7th, so this is the 17th of February, 16th, we had this trend line, and we've retraced from this high to this low to the 78 Fibonacci. So once we pierce here and go above 257, it's a buy. So you buy here, put a stop under low here at 248, and you let it run. I put in a projection forecast. That would be a long-term forecast, but for now, you'd have to at least have it go to 276, $3. See what it does around there. Okay, thank you.